Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to lose back fat. Now before we get into this video, I just want to remind you guys that I am not a professional in any way. These are just some of the exercises that I have come across that have helped me lose the fat around my back. So I know every woman, men as well, we all want to have a nice toned back. No one wants rolls or the love handles on their back because girl, that ain't cute. When we have excessive back fat, you lose confidence. You have no confidence to wear swimsuits, tight shirts, or anything that shows your back. At least that was my issue. Now, I shouldn't have to mention this, but I will anyways. These exercises need to be combined with a healthy, well-balanced diet or meal plan to get your best results. But we can go over that in a later video. So, keep watching to see how I went from this to this. Now, as you can see, it's a pretty big difference. It's not the best, and I'm still a work in progress, but keep watching to see what I've done.